Hello everyone, welcome to Arafat English Journey channel. Today this is my second video, and if you want you go to description and click my first video, which video I create, why I create this channel. So today I introduce first of all I talk and introduce myself, and secondly I describe why I want to learn English. So let's start my another video. Hi, I'm Arafat, and I'm 19 years old. I'm from Lakshmipur, specifically the Ramganj Upazila in Bangladesh, and I have just completed my HSC examination a few days ago, and now I am preparing for my university exam. I have 3 younger siblings, 2 younger sister or younger brother. I am the youngest in my family, and this is my introduction in myself. So let's turn into the second topic, why I want to learn English. So let's start it. Second topic. Basically, I started to learn English when I was complete my HSC exam, and then I saw more and more English YouTube channel and talk stranger. Exactly, I started to learn English only to my work, because if I found a good job or a remote job, I must be learn English. Then I started. But when I talk 2 or 3 strangers and saw videos, I feel like it's not a job, it's a interesting language, new learning language. You feel like confidence and more efficiency. So I decided to learn English, not a specific job or not specific anything. I talk to another people, and this is my first goal. And secondly, I am create this channel, and this channel is a beginner. My teacher advised me, you must be create a channel and upload every day 1 videos. My banner shows 30 days channels, but I don't upload 30 videos and 30 days channels. I upload every day, which time I talk fluently and speak not difficult. This is my purpose to learn English. So don't worry, you must be started to me, and you don't like my video, don't subscribe my channel. And if you like my video and like my talking, you must be subscribe my channel and share my video and other people which want to learn English. And you must be create video and upload any social media or any way. So this is my second video completed, and third video upload tomorrow. So bye bye, goodbye.